Hello, trading is closed on the 17th of March 2014, and I'm Jeffrey Tennant. Let's discuss the mejt signals for today. Early in the day there was an ultimate sell signal that worked. In the afternoon there were signals that ultimately both higher and lower prices would print. There was a signal that this rally would not stick, and all those signals worked. There's no signal for tomorrow. For those who want to get the signals in real time, you could buy my books, or you could wait a short period of time when the software comes out. The graphics aren't quite the same, but in real time it gives the sell signals, buy signals, it identifies false moves, and it tells you with these white dots when various targets are hit. There's no mejt signal for tomorrow, so we have to use other forms of technical analysis. The call for today was that if this low held, we would gap over Friday's high, which we did. Usually it isn't a good sign when we have a gap up and piddle around all day and can't even make any progress over any of these highs. That's usually. I want to point out that I still have a target of hitting this black line, which is in the middle 1860s. We have a VIX Bollinger Band buy signal where we traded way over the upper band and then closed under the band. If you look, today's low is just a Fibonacci retracement of the whole advance. It's support which is held so far, and even today's action is really just playing Fibonacci ping pong with the last drop. So for tomorrow, based on factors outside the system, I think if we don't promptly take out this high, ideally by gapping over it, that lower prices will print. Whether or not that happens, I do think higher prices are coming in the short term. An ideal situation would be if we rallied every trading day for the next week. I'm not saying we will, but if we do, that would set up a great sell signal based on someone else's methodology, particularly if we hit a new high slightly over the present high. And that's today's call.